Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the voice guide on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the home button on your TV remote, then use the arrow buttons to navigate to the left until you get to settings. Then tap the OK button on your remote to open settings. In Settings, select General, then select Accessibility. Choose Voice Guide Settings, then tap on Voice Guide to turn it off. When it's off, the button to the right of it will be grey instead of blue. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.